For Bitcoin to reach $1 million, several key factors would need to align. Here are some possible scenarios that could drive its price to that level. 1. Inflation and dollar devaluation. If the US dollar weakens significantly, Bitcoin could rise in price when measured in USD. High inflation. If central banks continue printing money, Bitcoin may become a digital gold alternative. Demand for safe haven assets. Investors might see Bitcoin as a hedge against fiat currency instability. 2. Institutional adoption. If global financial institutions, banks, and governments integrate Bitcoin into their systems, demand would surge. Companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and JP Morgan are already launching Bitcoin ETFs. Central banks and governments might start holding Bitcoin as a reserve asset, increasing legitimacy and demand. 3. Scarcity and Bitcoin halving, 21 million max supply. Bitcoin's issuance decreases every 4 years, halving, reducing new supply. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, and over 19.6 million are already mined. If Bitcoin adoption expands globally while supply remains fixed, prices could skyrocket. 4. Global financial crisis and banking failures. If confidence in banks declines, Bitcoin could become more attractive as an alternative financial system. Bank collapses, SVB, Credit Suisse in 2023, push people toward decentralized assets. The rise of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. If governments overregulate digital money, people might turn to Bitcoin for financial freedom. 5. Mass adoption and technological advancements, Lightning Network and Layer 2 solutions. Faster and cheaper Bitcoin transactions. Big tech integration. If Amazon, Apple, and Google accept Bitcoin, adoption would explode. Emerging market demand. Countries suffering from hyperinflation, Argentina, Turkey, Venezuela, may increasingly rely on Bitcoin. Is $1 million realistic? Conservative estimate. If Bitcoin reaches gold's market cap, 12 trillion, it could be worth $600K, $1 per Bitcoin. Aggressive estimate. If Bitcoin becomes a global reserve currency, its price could go much higher. Conclusion: $1 million is possible, but not overnight. Supply and demand dynamics will be key. If fiat currencies weaken and institutional money flows in, Bitcoin could surge. Adoption as a reserve asset or legal tender would be a game changer. Do you think Bitcoin will reach $1 million?